Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Project title PSR, a lightweight proactive source routing protocol for mobile ad hoc networks. Let's see the abstract of our project. In this project, we have to use the enhancement work of our process. In general, the users of mobile ad hoc network become increasing. That results in the development of the technology. Hence, the proposed system uses an energy-efficient proactive source routing protocol which is able to maintain more network topology information. The existing PSR performance is compared with this PSR routing protocol. The simulation results show increase in the performance of the network when compared to the existing routing protocol. Now see the flow of our entire process. First, the network formation is done. That is, the number of mobile nodes are created as the network topology. Then, the source node generates packets to forward to the destination. Hence, it finds a route. Then, it forwards the route request packets to the next hop neighbor nodes. It is done by the EPSR. The energy efficient proactive source routing is included. If the route is processed, the energy condition is verified in that. So, if it have a high energy to forward the packet, then the route is established and provides the data transmission, or else it again finds the another path to transfer the packet. After the data transmission, the performance is analyzed with the existing system. Now see the running procedure of our project. First, open the terminal window where to run the code. Then, go to the directory where we have the code. Now, type ns space filename dot tcl. Now, the number of nodes 50 nodes is created, and then find the route, the position of all nodes, and the energy of all nodes is updated, because we have to find the efficient route based upon the energy. And also, since it is a managed network, the nodes are dynamically moved to various positions, so we have to find the position of all nodes. This is the network animator window. Here only we can see the simulation result. Here the number of nodes, that is 50 nodes, are created in the network. To run the simulation, click the play button. The simulation is running now. All nodes are moved within the transmission range. All nodes are moved, and then its topology is dynamically changed. To speed up the process, this is the speed of the simulation. Then at the various simulation time, the source and the destination nodes are created in the network. Now the source node and destination nodes are created. So 7 is the source node and 8 is the destination node. It transfers packet, that is, it communicated between. So the distance is long between the source and the destination. Hence, it chooses a relay node up by the routing process, and then it forwards packet. All nodes are dynamically moved in the transmission range. with its topology. Now, also the source and destination node is greater. 0 is the source node, 1 is the destination node. Since it is a long distance, it forwards packets to the neighbor node 3 in the route, and then it forwards to the next hop neighbor nodes, and then it further forwards to the destination. This route is selected by the energy efficiency concept. So after the simulation ends, we can see the result in the graph, which is better than the existing system, that is existing protocol. This route is found out by the route request reply messages, and also the acknowledgement is forwarded to the source nodes. Here we can see the packet generated by the source nodes reaches the destination node. So now we see the graph results. Back to the terminal window and type new plot file name dot plot. This is the graph for the number of nodes and the delay. In x-axis the number of nodes is plotted, and in y-axis the end-to-end delay, that is source and destination and delay is plotted. It is represented in seconds. The existing system is the PSR routing. The PSR routing have a much delay, but we have reduced the delay by using the ePSR protocol, which is represented in the green color. To see the another graph, type GNU plot graph 2.plot. Here this is throughput graph. Here also the number of nodes is varied, which is compared with the throughput. Throughput is measured in megabits per second. The PSR protocol have less throughput, but the proposed ePSR protocol have achieved higher throughput than the existing system. So the performance is increased in the proposed ePSR protocol.